To use a Klarna card, start by ensuring you have the card physically or digitally in your mobile wallet. The Klarna card is a physical or digital card that allows you to pay now or pay later, giving you the flexibility to manage your expenses. First, locate a merchant that accepts the Klarna card, either online or in store. Most major merchants accept the card, but it's always a good idea to check beforehand. Once you've found a merchant, proceed to checkout and select the Klarna card as your payment method. If you're shopping online, you'll typically see the Klarna option at checkout. If you're shopping in store, you can use the physical card or a digital version through your mobile wallet. Next, enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the details correctly to avoid any issues with the transaction. After entering the details, you'll be prompted to select your payment schedule. Klarna offers several payment options, including Pay Now, Pay in 30 days, or Pay in installments. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you choose to pay in installments, you'll need to agree to the payment terms, including the interest rate and repayment schedule. Make sure to review the terms carefully before proceeding. Once you've selected your payment schedule, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount, payment schedule, and any interest or fees. Finally, confirm the transaction and complete the payment. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification from Klarna, and the payment will be processed. To manage your Klarna card payments, log into your Klarna account online or through the mobile app. From here, you can view your payment schedule, make payments, and track your expenses. Best practices for using the Klarna card include making timely payments, keeping track of your expenses, and avoiding late fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the Klarna card to manage your expenses and make purchases with confidence.